It was Rolo the Rat's first trip to the beach, and he was so excited.
Hooray! The beach!
Rolo squeaked, running onto the soft sand. He had his tiny sunglasses, a cheese sandwich, and a big plan for fun.
I'm gonna build sandcastles, swim, and maybe snack.
Rolo wiggled his tail and raced toward the beach. Rolo started building a huge sandcastle. He added towers, windows, and even a tiny moat.
Just one more seashell.
Snap, snap.
A little red crab appeared.
Hey, don't take my shell. I need it.
Oops, I didn't know, Rolo said, dropping the shell.
Crabs have hard shells, but we also like to hide in old ones. Some crabs even change shells when they grow.
That's so cool. Here, you can have your shell back.
The crab scurried away, waving his claws.
Thanks, funny rat.
Rolo ran to the waves and dipped his toes in the water.
Time to swim!
Suddenly, a giant sea turtle floated by.
Hello, little rat. Be careful. The ocean is big.
Whoa, you're huge!
That's because I'm a sea turtle. We live for over 100 years and swim thousands of miles.
100 years? That's older than my grandma!
That's right. Always respect the ocean. There's so much to learn.
Thanks, Mr. Turtle.
Rolo floated in the water suddenly.
Wobble, wobble.
A big, wobbly jellyfish floated by.
Hi there, little rat.
Ah, you're all jiggly.
That's because I'm a jellyfish. We don't have bones and we sting to protect ourselves.
Are you gonna sting me?
Nope, I'm a friendly jellyfish.
Ew, nice to meet you, wobbly friend.
As Rolo swam further, he saw a group of tiny, colorful fish swimming together.
Hi, Mr. Rat.
Wow, there are so many of you.
We swim together to stay safe. When we stick together, we confuse bigger fish.
Smart little fishies. Wow, you guys are fast. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Tired from swimming, Rolo got a big ice cream cone. Splat! A wave knocked him over. His ice cream flew into the air.
Whee!
A dolphin jumped up and caught it.
Hey, that was mine.
Oops. Sorry, I thought it was a fish.
You eat fish?
Yep, dolphins are super fast swimmers and use sounds to find food. Here, have my fish instead.
I think I'll just get another ice cream.
As Rolo learned about so many beach animals today, he was excited and happy and ended his day on beach with a beach dance. All the animals joined in. The crab snapped, the turtle glided, the jellyfish wobbled, the fish swished, and the dolphin flipped.
Snap like a crab. Snap, snap. Swim like a turtle. Glide, glide. Wiggle like a jellyfish. Wobble, wobble. Zoom like a fish. Swish, swish. Jump like a dolphin. Way! Do the beach boogie. Side to side. Do the beach boogie. Side to side. Wiggle like Jump like a dolphin. Way! Do the beach boogie, side to side.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.